Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some goodies to share with you today from Ease DIY. I've got a couple of diamond paintings and an off the canvas. So I'm going to scoot everything over there and bring one back. And we'll start with this one. I've just pulled them all out of the bag and I actually can't remember what the off the canvas item is. So it's like a little mini surprise for me, though I'll probably be able to work it out when I pull the other diamond painting off it. This one, I kind of just couldn't not get it. It's so sweet. It is 24 different colours. But look, it's like my own Bambi. It's just a little Bambi. I'm looking forward to spring. And there are quite a few different sort of spring images, spring/Easter type images that are starting to appear on many websites. And yeah, this just caught my eye. So it has 24 different colours. It does have DMC. It is all letters in the symbols and it's a 30 by 40 with a design area of 25 by 35 and yeah, it just looks gorgeous. I know there's quite a bit of blocky in the background there, but there's definitely not further down. So this is one that I might decide to work upside down and do the blocky when I first start and then save the rest for later. But you do get a toolkit and it comes in baggies. So we've got some gorgeous peachy, we've got a couple of browns there in the background, two different browns, but then look, we've got these gorgeous greens and oranges and burgundies, a little bit of black but not too much. And then we do, of course, have that block of white. But beautiful colours, really nice green as well, for bringing in, of course, the greenery in the background. So that's a number one. Number two, and the way I've put that off the canvas is actually upside down, so I've still not quite remembered what it is. But hey, it'll add to my excitement later as well. So diamond painting number two is a 30 by 40 and there's quite a few of these sort of signs starting to appear on many websites, and there's quite a few that make me smile, and I just keep getting the ones that make me smile. So this one is another raccoon, which I have unboxed another raccoon, but not like this one. It's still different. So this one says, please wash your paws. Look, he's going to have his own little rubber ducky and a little scrubbing brush to have a wash. It has 22 colours. Does come with DMC numbers and it does use all letters for the symbols. It is a round, excuse me, and the size is 25 centimetres by 35 centimetres. What a very civilised looking raccoon. We have a standard toolkit, and then let's have a nosy at the colours in this one. We've got more nice earthy tones in this one. So we've got some browns, of course more browns, greys, some light blues, lots of gorgeous greens and burgundies, beige, more brown, a little bit of yellow, of course. The duck needs to look like a duck. Gorgeous green, that one. In fact, that's very similar to the wall behind my desk. The paint behind my desk is just a little bit darker than that green, but I do like that green, obviously, because I painted a wall in that colour And I've just tried to fold these up in the way that they were, and I failed miserably. So let's just try just doing it a little bit bigger. Oh yeah, they're being better. Keep the diamonds safe. They do have the code of the painting on the front of the packet, but I definitely don't want to go hunting for each and every one. But yeah, we have a very clean raccoon, animal themed, and then this is all I could see for the off the canvas. Is this animal themed or not? Ooh, I remember what this one is. So it is animal themed. We're on an animal theme adventure. So this one, look, it even comes with a screwdriver. You get to fix it or screw it together. So what this is a little pen holder. So you actually get 2 of the owls to do. And then, I think it's this piece. Should be this piece at the bottom. Is the 2 sides to it. Oh, I think I need to take the film off this first. But the idea is that that goes there. That goes up there. And I think that goes up there. And then you do get some pieces here. So they're like bridge pieces. And there are screw holes there and there. And further down. So you put those in with the little screws that do come with it, and they're clear screws, so you're not going to be able to see them. Well, not like a silver screw anyway, but they're little clear screws that will go through the front of your owl when you're done. So that's what you'll see, if you can even really see that. And they screw onto here, and it basically, by the time you've got the 2 pieces there with the bit in the middle, you've created yourself a little pen holder. That's what this is. It's a pen holder. I'm going to pop that little bit of plastic in there. It's not one that I need. It is one that pops out so that you're able to pop in your little slats for the side for your pen holder to have sides. Are these coated or are they just covered for protection? I'm trying to work out if that is a coating that's on the top. Yeah, I think it is. It is scratching off, but I need to take all of that off. And there we go, can you see? So there is a clear coating, or well, an opaque coating on either side. So they will need to come off before you try and pop it through this slot, because otherwise it's too thick. So that's what you do with that one. So I don't need those, but I am going to pop them in the bag anyway until the whole thing's done. So the idea is you could do these 2 flat, seal them if you want to seal them. Then I would probably put the screws in on one of them and have it upside down, and then pop the rest in, and then get the rest to sit on the top and put your screws on the top. But you can create yourself a pen holder. There's a few different ones available. The diamonds for this one do come in a bag. So let me just take out the special ones. See if I can, no, I was trying to get the other ones lined up. But we have a hot pink, another pink, that's a darker hot pink, of course. We've got 2 blues, we've got purple, orange, yellow, red, and another blue. So they're your rhinestones, or your standard shape rhinestones, should I say. And then in addition, we get some bronzy gold, purple, and red for special diamonds. And you get to do that times 2. So you can either choose to do 1 owl at a time, or you could decide to do them both and do 1 colour at a time. Maybe that could depend on how much time you have available or not, and create yourself a little holder to pop all your pens in, or anything else for that matter. But there's a few different designs of these on their website. So very animal themed. We have an owl, a raccoon and a deer. So I'll pop the links down in the description box for each item, and also feel free to just go and have a browse just because. But thank you to Ease DIY for letting me choose these goodies and for sending them to me, and I'll speak to you all again soon.